Hi, Fusioners. Because I've got many ideas today, I want to present you a new one, a new project, and how you can do it as well. So, whenever you want to create, so this is about creating funnels, design-led funnels. So, whenever you want to create a design-led funnel, like myself, all you have to do is to make sure you have, let's say, what I call framework tricks and have different tools that I'll share with you later. So I'll actually, this is a new thing, get my list of tools for designer led funnel creation in Framer. That can be a second CTA, a second button. So for now, I'm trying to combine different versions. These are all tools, for example, supercharge your Framer CMS or the magic form to create and collect custom forms. Some of these are paid, some are not. Of course, I'm going to start on the free, most cheap basic entry to create this funnel that I have an idea for, which is in my case for the project net or project network. Now, I had this idea when I created Aura Fusion that when I go in person, when I started going networking events here in Bali and when I'll go in Malaysia, in Singapore, if I go to trade shows and places, I want to easily share to people what I do, who I am, and what has happened. And honestly, that has not been successful enough for me with when I share the Aura Fusion website, because Aura Fusion, I believe, the way it's been done and what I wrote on it and what's happening with the copy here, and now I understand. So you don't like white stuff. Very interesting. The way it's been done, let me put this to the left. The way it's been done, this is to actually, at the stage of the funnel, this is much later in the funnel. So I wanted a quick entry to it. Now, the way I started was in the team section, and this is not yet perfect, but you can see personal projects. You can see some of my stuff, my projects, and I need to improve this as well because I can see some issues with the space stack, and this is not loading, this is just an overflow issue, right? And I need to replace some of these as well. But this is still too much. This is already like, okay, him as a freelancer, then him as an agency, right? This is a bit earlier in the step, but still too much. So then what I did was to create what I call a profile, Emmanuel, and then network. Now, this is not available because this is what people will use when they have their phones and they will scan a QR code. And let me show you how it looks. So I just go in my iPhone and then I select the one that has me with the QR code. So when I go at an event, people will simply be able to scan the QR code, and they'll be led to the page at about me, my design journey, my tech stack, my CV, have everything they need to actually understand what I do and my history. And this is not even the better version. So I focused on editing the one that is for phone. I don't know if the correct one for phone because I have two ones. One is not the correct one. So this one with WhatsApp, social links and info below. My journey began, my story. You see my YouTube video for those who want to go. My stack, I made it simple. Website design and services, I just kept them like this. I added subscription plans. If someone wants to understand, okay, what are your pricing or what's happening, what can you do for us, something that they can quickly get, especially for them to understand I'm not free, on the spot. And I've got Telegram, I've got Instagram, YouTube, I've got all of these links where people can go and see my profile. And then I thought, why don't I make this into a product? So then the beginning of this project started like this. I had an idea and then I wrote it here, and I had multiple ideas actually, but this is one of them, right? Uh, and what I did is to take three templates that I really like. So there's this one that you already see here with enhance the way you present your SaaS. So let me show you how it's been built. And now I need to modify them and combine. So you've got transform your future with Valor, right? But for me, actually, this was the original, right, with the green. This was the original with the green. Um, I like this more than this. This one I don't know if I like that much. Doesn't stand out. This one stands out. Um, so this was the original product. I would like to move this reverse and then go left to right rather than this. So reverse carousel as a thing. Reverse carousel email content. I love when I'm getting ideas when I just talk to you guys. Okay, the plan, forever free, the testimonials, very good, project streamline, very good. Now, this was one. And then I really liked a couple sections in this one, so I decided to take it. For instance, I liked a lot more the background, and I like the button a lot more. So I would like actually to copy the button to and have this as get template much more than the other one. I took this one with the students already. Yeah, you can see I really like that. And I said join 2000 tech CEOs. And I kept certain things that I like. I definitely want to change the button to put this button here and here. They're also different, and that shouldn't be the case. So that's a bit of bad UX UI from the person. Then there was this one. So this one was a Valor. Wait. So what I liked in this was this sticker. I liked as well. So sticker benefits or like features. And another thing that I liked about it, another thing that I liked about it was when the pricing was loading. So let me reload this. It reloads, good, and it goes into presentation. Cool. Yeah, and no, not much. I really like the bottom section, your success guaranteed. I think even the copy was fabulous. And in Lettery, I liked kind of this interaction, so I might want to maybe add it at one point somewhere. I liked the target audiences, but most I really liked these hover over effects. And I thought it would be great to take these and put in a bento. Oh gosh, what I will not do for better lighting. I'm sorry guys, I really don't like it. And of course the subscribe now again at the end was good. So repeat subscribe at end. So the way I'm building my own funnel is incorporating the best elements of these three landing pages that I really like, with some additional stuff that I'm taking from Sabri Subri on $1 versus $10,000 funnels. So making sure that I've got all the correct principles and all the correct setups in place, especially reel. So I shot a very cool reel and I'm going to add it on the top layer here on the video. So when you can press play. And yeah, now it's frame for customizing templates. So yeah, I'm going to have a shorter video, 100%, and maybe change this or keep it for how I can make templates. Bottom, let's put this second hero for how templates can look like, maybe. Ugh, morning here in Asia at least. So this was the first video. Hopefully you get some value, and I am going to now go into it. One final tip that I want to showcase with you for those who have stayed until the end is a trick if you don't want to what's it called? If you don't want to waste time, if you don't want to waste time when you are copying these sections. So you can see how they're optimized for desktop and for mobile. If I don't want to waste time when I copy them from layers to make sure they go mobile perfectly, I just copy paste the tablet again. So this is what I did with one of the others. So I just copy paste this. So let's say take this. I go in ProjectNet and I go in tablet and I paste it. Right? It's loading. It will appear at the end, and it's here in tablet. So then what I will simply do is I'll rename this whole section, right? Hero Valor tablet. And it remains hidden into here, and it remains, probably will be seen here. No, it remains hidden there as well. So yeah, these are the things that you can do to kind of think, okay, how can I easily do stuff? Oh no, it appeared. No, it did not. Yeah, the newsletter here, it's here. Yeah, how can I easily copy paste sections and they are optimized and I don't have to waste time? Well, that's how you can avoid some extra work. See you on the next one.